Simplex Music.
Ndoziziva kuita kwenguva sizvinondirwadza kufunga. Pane maticha suwa, pane vachati suwa, zvakangondigara pachifuva. Ndiani anoda kutanga hapana, ndiani anoda kusiwa hapana. Tese tenge takarirongera ramangwana, angaende ndisina kuburitsa zviri muwana. Zoreva here yaenda apotso nemachena, asara wacho wadi kungopiwa mukana. Madi zvenyu matora inini duyuminate kana kuti kungoshamba. Muna mato wangu kusvika here kana kuti zvingori zvechamba. Vamakatora kwedu vakakwana here kana muchatora umwe zvorwadza. Zvandakaona ndozvachaona here mwana wangu baba vachitandadza. Kuti vaende ndaisamboda ndaiva mudiki kana chandaiziva. Anzi ndirufu akatora kuziva here kuti ndakarwadziwa. Kana uya ndoda kuziva ndomumirira ndomuti bva munzira. Kuti vaende ndaisamboda, kuti vaende ndaisamboda. Pau pau maziso pinduru nai baba maone inini wacho mandisiyane zvamafa inine metasiyane akutore wacho wanode zvatisina chatinacho maparadzei. Don't know Zita the Poptain, the Yard Boy. You see me representing the Yard Boy law. Yeah, hallelujah from Harare, Zimbabwe. Yeah man, big up yourself, Zim Tunes. We tuned in. Thanks for having me on the show, Muri say Muri, yes, Zimbabwe, Africa. So you say Muri yewe zichibuda neku universe.
Ndoziziva kuita kwenguva sizvinondirwadza kufunga.
Poptain was born in Gweru in the year 1994, and I grew up in Harare, man. Did my school in Highfields, Pachipembera hapo, Nichigara ku waterfalls, whatever. Tichirerwa. Yeah, ndikati ndoza ndingade kuti vanhu vazive for now.
Ndiani anoda kutanga hapana, ndiani anoda kusiwa hapana.
Music has been fitting me well, and I could say rough sometimes, man, but I like it. It's a process, man, and I enjoy the process because as long as I'm using my voice, man, I'm comfortable. So anything that comes out from using my voice, I'm ready to get anything out of it, So the music has been treating me well, and I appreciate it.
Muna mato wangu kusvika here kana kuti zvingori zvechamba.
I can say, man, I'm putting myself there because it takes you to just place yourself, and have your position, and that is what I am doing. I'm just claiming my title and my position, and I'm glad that the people them are noticing and are really appreciating. And I would like to say thanks for the fans for giving me the chance to express myself the way I express myself. You see me, it takes you alone to support me and put me on a level, and take me where I really think I should be.
Kuti vaende ndaisamboda, kuti vaende ndaisamboda.
I don't have no album yet. I just have like EPs. I have an EP I released in 2016 and a mixtape that I released this year. So I got an EP and a mixtape. Yeah, I don't have an album yet and no album plans. But mixtape and I put it up in one of the songs. You go to PC in my street, so we don't see that 4-pack. And I get an Anita Jackson, MC Campton, Prosper Firio, Nakanta Dijanta, Pane 16 Low, I get an Boss Pumako, Pane Pressure. Pakurai, pane my Yard Boys, and mixtape radio on the my Yard Boys. Yeah.
Maziso pinduru nai baba maone. Pau chasa. Mafuru mumukanwa kuona.
I present on TV. I'm a presenter. We present Zim Dance Show. For now, don'tembody pa world. Was nobody push music alone because I feel like I need to focus more on my music. But besides music, I'm a TV presenter.
Uneshavire chiganazi kutitsemura nepakati sedonanzi kuti vaende ndaisamboda ndaiva mudiki kana chandaiziva.
Me, I don't think they are challenges, man. I take them as lessons, So all those things, man, I don't believe in no challenges, man. like and mastering. I just think I'm good, man. Music is going well for me. Like I told you, as long as I'm using my voice and people think my voice is good and the music is going to the people, I don't see any challenge, man. I just wait on my time, and I believe the time is coming, and the time could be no. I don't know. Nah, but I have a very serious relationship.
Kana uya ndoda kuziva ndo mumirira ndo muti pamzira kuti vaende ndaisa.
Me not really know, you know. I don't lie, and it's not favorite. The children was a favorite, but I'm so young. Auntie.
Akaziva ere kuti ndakarwadziwa kana uya ndoda kuziva ndo.
I'm trying to think, man. I don't lie. I don't see any artist to collaborate with now, but the artist them I'm working with, Anita Jackson and MC Campton, because I believe we share the same vision. I don't know other artists' vision, so I can't say I would like to work with. I don't say Andy Dushanda now, but I'm saying Antina Wandona, Ndikifunga Uti Anga Shandigina Pangwano, because I'm trying to push a different vision. And because I don't know their vision, I better work with who I know, Kuti Arukurungi. So for now, I would say, and now I'm seasoned artist one version, but I thank God I've worked and Toki vibes, and they really have been good for me. So like for now, I don't think I'm looking for any.
Ndoziziva kuita kwenguva sizvinondirwadza kufunga
kushingirira nokuratidza kuti unoda art yako kuno perfect. You know what I mean? If you do not love what you're doing, man, you're just wasting your time. You know what I mean? Take it serious and take it as your full-time job. I believe that way you will know what you like and what you don't like, what you need and what you don't need. You know what I mean? Just take your art seriously and let nobody tell you what is all with us, and make sure say you're sure about what you're dealing with.
Pani machatisuwa zvakangondigara pachifuva ndiani anoda kutanga.
Shout out to my management, Creative Culture, for really making me believe in myself again. After I used to think it takes to push on everyone to it relevant. Thanks to my management. Also special shout out to Koma Bless Win Case, one to shoot my video, one to Firima, and shout out to Sim Tunes, also Sim Celebs, one to